Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to log in Pinterest in the desktop. So for that, first of all, you need to open the browser on your PC and then open a new tab over there. There on the search bar you type in pinterest.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Pinterest. Now here on the Pinterest you need to tap on login. To log in, you need to provide your email address and the password. You can also get logged in with the Facebook and the Google as well. If you click on continue with Facebook and continue with the Google, you will be easily logged in with just one click. Here we are going to go through the email process. So type in the email address and below you type in the password. And then click on login. This will get you logged in into the account of Pinterest of yours. So this is how you can log in Pinterest in desktop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.